Hey guys, welcome to another Warhead tutorial. In this video, we'll be showing you how to work with block styles using the Warhead theme builder style rules and groups. Let's get started. Now, in previous tutorials, we've already shown you how to work with page styles as well as sector and row styles. In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to work with block styles. So, to get started, simply select a sector that contains any blocks. And the block styles are going to be controlled in the second subpanel right here. As you can see, I have a few blocks in my block list right here. Now, these are all the blocks in this sector, but I could select any other sector that has blocks in it, just like that. And that will give me access to update that block's style rules and groups. Alright, for instance, this sector has a featured products block as well as a page content block. So to update the block styles, you would simply select the block from this panel here. And that takes me to that block's style rules, which are right here on the top row. And alternatively, some blocks have style groups as well, just like this homepage content block here. And then that takes you further down into the block, which allows you to control all the individual elements within that block. So my homepage content might have lists, might have a paragraph, might have block quotes, or other style rules and groups. Alright, let's do that again. Select a sector and click any block, and there's that block's style rules and style groups. Now, the rules and groups for each block are different. So each block can have different elements within it that can be styled. That's the great thing about Warhead. It allows you to have complete control all the way down through the individual elements on the page. So we've already seen how to style elements commonly using the page styles. Then on the next level, we have sector and row styles, which are controlled here again. And on the last level, we have the block styles. So any of the styles that we've applied above the block level can be overridden down here. There you go. You've just seen how easy it is to update block styles using the Warhead theme builder style rules and groups. Thanks for watching.